Hello everybody out there on the YouTubes, I'm Connor and today I'm going to a pretty big event for Canberra. Today is the grand opening of Ikea, for here, out at Majura Park. It is early at the moment, it's currently about 6 AM, so that I can get there early and hopefully get a good spot. I'll be filming the event, might interview a few people or something, I'm not sure. We'll see how we go. So I hope you enjoy this video, and yeah, I'm gonna head out to Ikea now, so I'll see you there.
Are you sick and tired of normal ass water? We are. So now, introducing from Schweppes, the new and improved ass water, berry flavor. Very refreshing. Gay.
Hello again guys, I'm here with Alan and Alan with their Allen key in the queue for the Ikea opening. Apparently these guys helped build this building.
That's right, we got it from Sweden in a flat pack, and we just put it up together with our Allen key. So
Spent the weekend just putting it together?
Very, very easy. Just follow the instructions.
Well, how about that? Okay, so next time you need to build a building, get these guys to do it. Alrighty, I'll continue to cover this event throughout the day. So yeah, see you next.
Hey guys, this is Chicken Nation.
He just fucking wrecked it. No.
Try to forget that you were here. Some part of me wants to disappear with you. My soul and all that I could afford. So only gonna fall into what you explore.